Hello traders, hope you are all doing good. So yesterday only we showed big profit and today we screwed up. So whenever I show big profit or whenever I show nice profit, no, this is what happens. So what happened today exactly? Let me show you. So today was a day where if you see the Nifty chart. So what happened here is market were gapping down and it was the first 5 minutes candle if you see from 9:15 to around around 9:15 candle. If you see here low was around 18,120. Now what I was thinking, then we waited and we saw market reverting back to 18,230. Then it came all the way down to 18,150. Now this area, this is where around when the market reached around 18,150 levels, we shorted the market. So what we shorted? We shorted around 18,300 call option. Then what happened? Market reversed drastically and almost hit 18,300. So today's high was 18,238. Keeping in mind that this 18,300 is going to be a super resistance, because we were seeing for the last 2 days or yesterday's session we saw two times market hitting 18,250 levels and reverting, and we thought okay, that is going to be the super resistance, and we were shorting call option 18,300 call option, and we are sitting in a super loss. So how are we going to manage that? We don't want to book losses. As an option seller, we are not here to book losses, right? The mindset is like that. We don't want to book loss. We will try to adjust the position. We will try to manage the position. We'll try something or other to manage our positions, right? So we were trying to manage our position. We didn't book any losses, but we are sitting in a good loss, and let us see what is going to happen on Monday. So how are we going to manage this position, or how we are going to adjust this position? Tomorrow I will post a video about how we are going to manage this position. So if you are free, do sign in tomorrow so that you will understand how we manage this position. And the other reason was this Bank Nifty. The culprit was the Bank Nifty. If you see the Bank Nifty 18 again, first 5 minutes candle, if you see, it was very highly volatile. High was, it gapped down, in fact from yesterday's high around 38,500, it gapped down and opened at 38,300. So it was a gap down of 250 points or 300 points in Bank Nifty. Then it reverted back, it went to 38,350 and came all the way down to how much? 38,000. Now once this today's low, first 5 minutes candle low was broken, we thought so markets are going to be weak and markets are likely to go on the downside. And seeing at the this thing, what is that, seeing at this US futures also, we were thinking markets are likely to go down, but to my surprise, market has rallied on the opposite direction. So we'll see how to handle this. This is not, so as I told you, we are sitting in a loss of around 75 to 80k, but not a problem. We will see how we will manage the position on Monday, because Monday is going to be a very calm day, and as of now, as I talk to you, US futures are really in green, I think. So when we see that, and plus if you see the if you see theta decay is also going to work in our favor, since we have taken this position in weekly option. So our theta decay is also going to be in our favor. Now if you see the US markets are deep in the red. Dow future is down by around 206 point. Nasdaq, S&P, all are in the red, and if you see the FTSE, or if you see the European markets, are also all in the red. So everywhere it is red, and if you see the SGX Nifty, SGX Nifty is also down by around 52 points. So whether we are correct or not, we will see on Monday only. So whether if 18,300 is going to be the super resistance, or if that 18,300 which we shorted is going to work, we don't know. We'll see it on Monday. Anyway, if the market keeps on moving on the upside, or if the market moves above 18,300, how we are going to manage that position, we will post a strategy, adjustment strategy tomorrow. So as I told you, if you are free, please make sure to sign in tomorrow. And if you see this open interest area, what I see was 18,000. There were significant, there is a highest put rating. So today's price action, if you see 18,200, people have returned more calls in more puts in 18,200. So where these things happened after the second part of the trading session. Once the market shooted up, it was if you see the first part of the trading session, 18,300 or even 18,400 till 18,500 had the highest open interest. If you see today's morning price action, and if you see now second part of the trading session, 18,200 is having the highest put OI when it comes to open interest. Put OI is having 18,200, put is having the highest open interest. So what does that mean is that people expect the market to go down, and we really don't know what is going to happen. And if you see the Dow futures, US futures are really in the red. Dow future is down by 200 points, Nasdaq, S&P, FTSE, European markets are all are in the red. So whether we are going to win or not, we will see on Monday. So today was a very hard day, and hopefully we should be making money on Monday. If things market gaps down tomorrow, on Monday, that is the next trading session, we should be fine and we should be making good money in the market. So 18,300 call option I have sold for good amount. Maybe how much I couldn't remember. Around 1,500 quantities we have sold in one of our account. So you imagine the amount of loss it will incur if the market is gapping up on 18,300. Still we are holding. So this is a very arrogant strategy, or a very arrogant mindset of a option seller, right? So we don't want to book loss. So what is going to happen, we really don't know. We'll see how we can manage this, right? So that's why we are here, right? And if you see the market, other than this, if you see, there were Bank Nifty was not at all performing. HDFC and all other stocks were all in the red. Bank Nifty was really not performing. Out of all the stocks in Bank Nifty, only few were only 3 or 4 stocks were performing. Apart from that, none of the stocks were performing. So that was the reason we were kind of trying to short the market. And if you see the FII data today, FIIs have bought for around 6,143 crores and they have sold for 7,742 crores. So total they have sold for negative figure of 1,598 crores. So seeing all this, I think market should gap down. So because I have shorted the market, I am expecting the market to go down, right? So this is not good. Let's see how things pan out. And nowadays this US market and SGX is not reliable at all, right? So one day it is showing 100 points gap down in SGX Nifty, but when the market opens, if you see, market will gap up and rally towards the upside. So things are happening this way for a few days now. So let's see how things pan out. So nothing much to talk. Today's market was a highly volatile market in spite of moving up and down. So and SGX, India VIX also dropped significantly. So we should be seeing further upside only, I think. So seeing all this, If we are getting good positive global cues, we might go up on the upside, and whoever are long in the market are going to make money, and whoever are short in the market like me are going to lose money. Anyway, we'll see how things pan out and how we will manage. So that's it for today. A happy weekend and இனிய பொங்கல் திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் for my Tamil subscribers. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.